What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dannytv and welcome back to another episode. Today my brother picked up this 92 Miata for $1,000 and it's in pretty good shape. I think it's got like 160 on the odometer, but we're gonna definitely give it a new paint job and take care of some things and possibly even do a giveaway on the channel at around 50,000 subscribers. So be sure to subscribe if you're new here. Turn on your post notifications. We got some more awesome builds coming. Today we're going to be installing some coilovers. We've already got these BBS wheels from our buddy Mark, who does have a YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description. For now, let's go ahead and get started.
You want a donut?
I'll take one. Dang, son.
Yes, sir, on a lock.
That is pretty neat. What kind of wheels did you say these were?
So these actually are the original BBSs from BMW, which worth quite a bit of money. These $300, you can't beat that.
Check that out. And look, the tires are still decent on them. So we're definitely...
I am gonna replace the tires either way. So
they're kind of too big, got a big sidewall. I can't wait to get these coilovers on just to see what the fitment looks like. We didn't really record that, but there was a pretty good gappage right over here.
Oh, I'm gonna have this thing dirt nasty low.
You're gonna slam it down. We're just gonna have some fun on it.
Oh, bro!
Did you just break that?
Dang! I think he done.
Did a little finessing on you, man.
Yeah,
you should have just
did a little finessing. So
I think I see some super glue in there. We're definitely gonna get $50 back for that.
50. These little caps are $140 a piece.
Dang, that's crazy.
Dang, I don't know if I can even be able to get it off.
Try to put that back on and try to twist it. Just got an internal lock on it, like a snap ring. Dang, so what I just found out is just stay away from BMW crap.
Yes, sir.
You know? Let's check it out under here real quick. We're not going all the way up with it since we're just doing the coilovers, but dang, it actually doesn't look that bad. As far as like the oil leaks, just, you know, just your normal wear and tear under here. Check out this fabbing though. What the hell is going on over here? I guess they tried welding up a flange and that was leaking, so he just decided to just weld it all up just so he can use the cat and pass emissions.
Oh, this I bought it like that, bro.
Hey, this is pretty cool. They still use that Miata design on the transmission stabilizer. It runs all the way back here to the diff. Man, this thing is tiny. I'm used to looking at the RX-7, so everything looks pretty similar, but just a lot weaker, if you say. You find any presents?
Just a bunch of rusted bolts here, but honestly, what do you think we should do first, the coilovers or the brakes? Because I did get 4 new rotors and brakes, so.
It really doesn't matter, but just whatever you want to start out with. I say the coilovers so that we can knock those out. The rotors shouldn't be anything to do. Man, check this out. Why are these so skinny?
Dang, I think I purchased the cheapest ones. I'm gonna have to get my refund on these.
Dang, I mean, with brakes and stuff, you don't want to mess around. They look weaker than the ones that are on it, which are kind of in rough shape, but we'll see if they work.
Yeah.
That's about like half. That's just one side. Are you sure that they probably forgot the other side too?
Maybe they're double. Like.
Double plated?
What if I have like 8 of them in there?
Nah, there's no way. But we'll find out and go from there.
I guarantee you there's another one that goes onto here and you put them on like that. I guarantee you there's 8 in here. Let's go. 1, 2, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, dude.
Yeah, okay, guys. So just scratch that. These are actually double plated, which is a pretty cool design. That's like my first time.
Brimbos.
What?
Brimbos right here. Ooh. Check out that. Right there.
Dang. There we go, son.
Yes, sir. Get this junk out of here. So we do have to reuse the old top piece. I don't know what it's called, but it'll sit just like this. And we also have to run to the hardware store to get the things that clamp down the springs, because
You gotta compress them.
Compress them and get that bolt on. But
yeah, O'Reilly's rents that tools out all the time.
Yes,
or you know what you could do, just line it up and lower the car and it'll do it itself. But it's better to just go ahead and get that tool. Yes, sir. That thing is looking clean.
Nah, you can't even drive it.
Can it do a burnout? Guys, that's a wrap for this episode. If you are new on the channel, like and subscribe for a chance to win this car. I will keep you guys in the loop, but we do have to get to at least 50,000 subscribers first. With all that said, thanks guys for all the love and support. And if you do want to copy some DTV merch, shop Dannytv.com. That link is in the description. Also, for a sneak peek before YouTube, give us a follow on Instagram at Danny.tv. That link is also in the description. Drop your comments down below. Thanks for watching. I'm out. I'll see you on the next one.